Hello everyone. This summer my plan is to retake the yard. One of the main goals is to get rid of the blackberries in the old garden area.
I see you start already.
Dig up all of these roots. This section of the yard I'm going to be taking out the blackberries that have invaded over there and clean up the rest of this around here. Have some tree trimming to do. Trees gotta go. In the garden area, we've got to do repair on the beds. They've got to be repaired. I've got 3 of the beds that need work on them. And I plan on putting down more paver stones around the beds to keep the weeds down.
What else?
That's going to be enough to keep me busy for a while.
Cut some few onions, please.
Here. Down here.
What about that one?
This one's in good shape. I don't have anything happening to it yet. This one's solid.
Is it good?
This one's good. This one is going to have to be completely rebuilt. I'm going to have to replace all 4 sides. And the one behind you,
You know, I'm very surprised how you clean it already.
that was 2 days worth of work to clean this, just to get back to the beds again. When I got to the beds, I found damage like this. It's completely rotted away.
Which one? And what about this?
This board will have to be completely replaced.
What is growing there?
This, I believe, is oregano.
This is spearmint. This is oregano.
This isn't spearmint. This is oregano. This is oregano. This is elm tree.
Tree?
Elm tree.
How you get tree?
From the elm tree up there, the seeds scatter, and anywhere there's water, they'll root real quick. They're all through the bed. This here's our blackcurrant bush. I need to to reclaim our walkway between here. Tie this back up.
That one looks like parsley.
I think that one's a weed.
No, it's parsley. Is it parsley?
It tastes like parsley.
I told you. I love smell of is it lilac?
Lilacs.
This one. Smells so good.
Parsley tastes good too. This is more of what I need to take care of this summer. Just get rid of all these weeds in amongst the flowers here. I got flowers in here, but there's weeds all through here. Dandelions everywhere, blackberries. I need to get rid of all of this wood. And then continue back in here, get to the lilac, get the lilac out. Get this bush exposed.
You said something about lilac?
I'm going to get the blackberries out of the lilac, get the lilac exposed again. It's going to be a long summer.
Unbelievable. This is from here to there, 1 hour.
About 18 feet, 6 meters.